Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can make sub bullet points on our Google Doc. So it's pretty simple. So to make a sub bullet point, first you need to make a bullet point. So you can click on the arrow at the top right, choose the type of bullet you want. So I want to have like a dark circle bullet, so I will choose that. And I will create a bullet. So it's going to be YouTube. Now let's say I want to create a sub bullet point. What I can do is press enter. Now as you guys can see, the moment I pressed enter, a bullet point was created, not a sub bullet point. Now to change this bullet point into a sub bullet point, I need to press tab and it's going to be turned into a sub bullet point. Now I can write anything I want over here like this. If I press enter, it's going to show me another sub bullet point. So I can write KSI just like this. So that is basically how we guys can create sub bullet points on your Google Doc. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. If you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.